Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And yes, it's me again, and I'm here with another real quick video. Now today I'm here to share with you something fun for everyone. If you're a big fan of animals in general, you'll probably like this expo. This is an expo in New Jersey. It's actually a super dog expo. If many of you never heard of such a thing, well guys, stay tuned. So guys, I was thinking about sharing with you a section where they have all kinds of snakes, but I know many people are scared of snakes. Just a thought, or just to look at them will just freak you guys out. So I probably won't be sharing that, but I could kind of share the location of where all these snakes are hanging out. It's not only a dog expo, it's pretty much a pet expo. Any pet, snakes, geckos, whatever you need, they have it. So guys, over there is where they have all the pets. Let's see if I could give you a zoom in. There's like hundreds of dogs and dogs owner. Anything and everything that has to do with dogs, you pretty much can find it here, guys, which is pretty neat. But as you can see, there's dogs everywhere, and it's so cool. Oh, professional photos over there, guys. I don't think I'll be able to share everything that this place has to offer, but I'm just walking around so far to see. Okay, over there they have like dog treats and stuff like that. This is for all the dog lovers. There's anything that you are looking for, I'm sure you can find it here for your dog. Which pretty, pretty cool. And I'm here just sharing with you like always, guys. Oh, look at these dogs, guys. These guys are huge. I'm not sure what kind of dog these are, but this is probably one of the biggest dog I ever seen. It looks like a wolf. Like,
yeah, huge. It's not that they're just tall.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah.
Like wow. I think they might be mixed breed, right?
No, she just said I've never heard of it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wow. Unbelievable, guys.
I haven't seen any that I like.
Oh, wow. Look at those dogs, guys. Oh, unbelievable. Never seen anything like it before, guys. Those were some huge dogs. I guess they have like a dog grooming over here. Look at that little guy. So adorable, these dogs. And they're everywhere. So cool, guys. I don't know which way to go. There's like so much to share. But guys, oh, look what we have here. This is pretty cool. Custom made. She's over there making it. Let's see what else. Oh, I'm back again with these huge dogs. Look at this one, guys. Biggest dog I ever seen. Huge, yeah. Guys, I think walking around so far, I have seen all kinds of dogs. Little one, big one, and they all are getting along. Guys, I've never seen this many dogs before. But it's pretty cool that, it's not a cat.
I might buy a pet.
Yeah. Yeah. That's a huge cat. Right? Yeah, looks like a, I'm not really sure what that is, but I can tell you that it's, guys, I think that's a cat. A very big cat, guys. If your dog is super hyper, well, this is a fun exercise. Keep him running until he's tired. So cool. Guys, these photos are adorable, don't you think? Look at this guys. Yeah, they take professional photos right here. Look at this one. He's like the cutest thing with the bow tie? Absolutely, guys. So cool. Oh, guys, this is a bulldog, I think. And he's huge. There's dogs everywhere, guys. Like any and every kind of dogs you could think of, you could find here. They all are like the cutest thing ever, guys. It's okay, no problem. This is like the cutest thing I ever seen. All these coffee mugs with different pictures of dogs. I'm sure if you are a dog owner, you probably would be able to find your dog on one of these mugs. And they all are just happy. And it's like, was really cool. And as soon as I seen it, I was like, you know, that I had to share it with you guys. All these different kinds of dogs, and you know, to each owner they could just choose a cup. And actually at this location you could also custom made your coffee mug with a picture of your own dog. So guys, you came, you saw, hopefully you like. If it's your first time, don't forget to like and subscribe. And like always, I will see you in my next video. This expo was really cool. Hope you give me a big thumbs up. And thank you, like always.